Hello everyone, it's Sam here, and today gonna show you guys a new limited edition knife from Swiss Army Victorinox called Sunset Hills. Let's check it out together. Alright, here we have a Sunset Hills. Let's check it out. Got black leather case on the exterior, red interior. Nice. Let's check it out. See the design. Oh, get out. Alright, look at that, it looks so sweet. The mixture of colors is outstanding. Alright, let's see the contents. We got a Swiss Army sharp knife, Victorinox nail file, a screwdriver, keychain up top right here, pair of scissors, and of course right here we got a pair of tweezers. Get that right, and oh, it's not getting in. Okay, and we have a toothpick. Handy. So pretty cool, pretty small, awesomely looking Swiss Army knife. Sunset Hills. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, just subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, it's optional. Giving me a thumbs up, that would be great. You guys take care.